Hey, what's up everyone, this is Steven Mind on Crypto and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about ZKSync airdrop. This is an update from the last video. If you guys didn't check my last video, I talked about ZKSync, how to get airdrop, what do we have to do step by step, and this is just an update to make sure we're gonna get the airdrop. So if you want to make sure you gonna get the airdrop, please check my last video. It's from the beginning, and then come back with this video, and let's see what we have to do. But before starting, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you follow me on Twitter, and join my Telegram group. It's free during the bear market, because I know the value investors are in the bear market, not in the bull market. So this is the version 2 of ZKSync. They just it's on testnet. They just announced it's live couple days ago. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to v2.zksync.io. okay, open this website. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Okay, give it a try. Okay, and here we have to get some free coins. Okay, what do we have to do? We have to go to Metamask wallet. We have to go to Goerli testnet or test network, whatever. If you don't see this one, you have to click on that, show test networks, and it has to be on to see that testnet, Goerli testnet, test network, whatever. Okay, and then as you can see right here, I have some testnet network test coins. But how you're gonna see zero money right here, zero Ethereum here. But what we have to do, you have to go to Goerli Faucetnet, and the website is gonna look like this. Okay, you have to sign up with your Google account, or you have to create another account, to get access to this. Okay, I'm gonna sign up with my my Google account. And here you have to copy paste your Ethereum address, Metamask address from Goerli testnet. Is the same one with Ethereum network, is the same one with Polygon network. You just switch the network, but it's the same address until you make another Metamask account. So paste, send me ETH right here. I already did it 9 minutes ago. I already did it, and we only send, okay, every 24 hours. But yeah, it's you have to press send, you have to sign some transactions, and I think in about 2 or 3 minutes you're gonna get Goerli Ethereum. Okay, right here, as you can see, I have Goerli Ethereum. If you have any question, any trouble, let me know. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna be active on my Twitter account, on my Discord, on the eGold Rush Discord group, on the VIP crypto VIP club, and I'm gonna be very active on my Telegram group. Join, link in the description if you want to join. The next step is we have to bridge. Let me see, we have to bridge from Ethereum Goerli testnet to right here. You have to, of course, you have to connect your Metamask wallet with portal.zksync.io. You have to go to this website, portal.zksync.io. You have to go to bridge, and then I'm gonna transfer, let me see, I have 0.05. I'm gonna transfer 0.2, oops, 0.02. okay, into the Goerli testnet ZKSync. Deposit. Let me see what I have to do. Okay, I have some gas fees to pay. Everything, it's fake money, it's just test tokens. test coins, whatever. But I'm waiting right now. I'm waiting. As you can see here, I don't know how long it's gonna take. Up to 5 minutes it says. We'll see. Okay, as you can see here, back to balance, or make another back to balance. I have 0. Why does it say 0? After we use the bridge, we have to go to wallet. I don't know, we're gonna wait like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and see how it goes, if you see something here or not. But if you don't see, go to transfer, copy your Metamask address. Okay, copy paste, and here we have the Ethereum max. I'm gonna transfer max. Okay, I'm gonna use transfer, press the transfer button, and then I have to switch to, from Goerli, I have to switch to ZKSync Alpha Testnet, Goerli Testnet 2, whatever. I'm gonna press switch network. Okay, it says I need some gas fees. Okay, submitted, go to balance, let me see transaction, from this to this, transaction hash. Okay, and I think that's it. Now I think you're gonna see the balance right here. Okay, so we interacted with ZKSync 2.0 Goerli, and this is a testnet. So this transaction, it's gonna give us more chances to get the airdrop, you know. So that's why we are making these steps. I think that's all we have to do, nothing else. If I discover anything else for ZKSync or any other airdrop, I'm gonna keep you posted. Yeah, that's it guys. As you can see, wow, $171, nice. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am very close to hit 1,000 subscribers, and do not forget to follow me on Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter. I'm posting some new projects there. I'm posting about economy, about healthy mind, healthy steps, how to get involved in crypto, and how to be safe in crypto, because there are many scams. Okay, until the next time, watch the last video about how to get the ZKSync airdrop. Actually, that one is the first video that you have to watch to get the ZKSync airdrop. And I'm working on another video how to get a layer 0 airdrop. I'm still researching. I did some transactions. I have to wait. It told me I have to wait like 400 and something minutes. So we'll see how many hours I have to wait. Before doing these videos, I have to do by myself. I have to do step by step, and yeah, that's how I am. I have to test on myself and then spread the word. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.